Hey guys, welcome back to Forex Life. As you saw in the last video, we watched the Milky Way and it was absolutely stunning. In the morning, we woke up to a beautiful day. These mountains look amazing, especially at sunrise. The tops of the mountains were glittering in the morning sunshine. We had our breakfast at the base of this enormous mountain. The weather was pleasant with a light breeze. In this desert, there are islands of mountains dotted in a vast sea of red sand stretching out in the distance. It's hard to believe that such places exist on Earth and that we can actually experience them ourselves and share them with you. After packing up our camp, we set out to explore this magnificent desert. Now we're heading to an ancient cave or a mine. It is in solid rock of the mountain and it's very interesting. So let's go. Woodpeckers. Right there on the ground. Yeah. So we have reached the mines. It is like very sandy trail. It's very difficult and you might get stuck. You need a 4x4 to come here, and if you want the location, make sure to ask us down below in the comments. So we came here for the mine, but when we came here we saw a little woodpecker. It's still here, so let me just show you. So we have reached here and you can see there are multiple openings and all of them lead together. So make sure you take a torch with you, and it might be a little dusty inside the cave. So yeah, let's go. Last time we came here, there was a bat inside. Wonder if it might still be there. So you can see this cave is very amazing. There are no cracks or anything in the walls or even in the ceiling. This is made out of completely solid rock, except for the floor, which is made up of sand and dust. And you can see it continues to narrow down at the end. So let's go.
Some black bat might fly. Be ready, huh?
Yep.
Keep recording.
Yeah, there's another entrance over there.
And that other one meets here. See?
Oh wow.
If you see, this is a triangular at the end. You can see. Come here. Come here.
Oh, I have to stoop. This is like 4 feet, maybe. Maybe.
You can see at the end there is a triangular opening, and if you enter that triangular opening, inside there is like a big circular, like a well, like a structure. The other openings to the cave, there is another opening that also lead to the same well there. Looks like this is kind of old mine which is abandoned now.
That was exciting, and now we're out of the cave and we're just going to go and explore the rest of this amazing desert. So come on. So we're on top of this dune and you can see the stunning landscape. There are beautiful dunes and mountains. So take a look. Go. Speed.
No, just a little.
Go. Left to right.
Left.
Look, nice. There are so many arches. So right now we're on top of a huge dune. It's almost bigger than the mountains that surround it. So we're at another amazing cave, and this is in between two mountains, and it's very interesting. You know, right now I just heard a bat and one flew inside, so I wonder if we're going to encounter any more. Let's go.
After that point, actually, it changes the direction and then goes deep inside.
We started walking inside the cave, and it's slowly getting narrower, but you can still walk inside it quite easily. And soon it becomes less than a meter wide, and it seems dangerous, So we're just going to turn back now. Even the authorities don't want people to drive inside, and so they've made these holes over here. So right behind me is an arch, and it is actually the biggest arch I've ever seen in my life. And you can't get the car till here. The nearest point you can put your car is down there, and you can just park it and hike around 300 to 400 meters till here. It's quite easy, it's just walking a bit, and there are some nice trails that lead to the arch. And if you want the coordinates and the locations for the parking spot and the arch, just ask us down below in the comments, and if enough people are interested, we'll share them with you. On the way, you just have to follow these pointers or these landmarks. They're like a pile of stones which are spray painted white, and so you don't lose your way, these show the way up to the arch.